Hello everyone, so we're looking at the book Hidden Energy, Inspired Inventors, and a Mindful Path to Energy Abundance. I'm recommending this book to everyone. This book should be in every school library and should be required reading for every student in every major, because we all need to breathe clean air, we all need to drink clean water, and we all need to be able to eat healthy food, right? This is absolutely necessary, absolutely essential. So all teachers should also read this book. All teachers of all interests, right? Very good book. And I learned about that book from this gentleman here, Moray B. King, who has also several books himself. But Moray B. King was lecturing on YouTube videos, and I was watching all the videos I could locate on him. And if I recall correctly, I made a playlist. I did make a playlist of him as well. I don't know if that's still up though. It should be up. I didn't change anything, but sometimes playlists disappear. And he recommended this book, among many others as well. But we'll get to those. We're going to keep going through these books and looking at them and looking at the information in these books for educational purposes and promoting learning about hidden energy. This is very important. I mean, imagine the day we can go on Google and it actually, when you type in what powers a free energy machine, you actually get read this book, read that book, read this book, and you get actual explanations of what's actually taking place, of actual reality, right? Instead of the fiction which excludes the most relevant information to people that are trying to learn about this information, to their questions, right? Because it's completely irrelevant to say there's no energy, or to tell them to go study things that will prove to them that there's no energy, right? What that means is studying information that leaves out all the explanations and all the research that has been accumulated over hundreds of years about the energy all around us, the energy we breathe and walk through, the energy everywhere, right? Not just the direct sea, but look at these words here. We're going to look at some words right now again. This isn't the last video, but inexhaustible energy which pervades the universe and supports all energy. Inexhaustible energy. You see this? And this is true. This is real life. This is reality. Remember, truth is stranger than fiction? Yeah. So that means that fiction, science fiction, can learn a lot by studying reality. That's what that means. Science fiction doesn't have to qualify to describe reality. Just study reality and tell the story as it is, and it will be great. And then kids grow up and make it happen. Even if you're telling a story about something you completely made up, children find a way to make it happen. That's already been done. That's been happening for hundreds of years. Let's look at these words again. We'll start with cosmic energy. Cosmic energy, torsion fields. I think it says torsion, T-O-R, torsion fields. Background energy of the universe. Higher dimensional energy. Hyperspatial energy. The field. Dirac sea. Radiant energy. Sea of energy. Quantum oscillations. Orgone. Space energy field. Virtual particle flux. Vacuum fluctuations. Vacuum electromagnetic field. Free energy of surrounding space. Energy from the vacuum. Negative electricity. 0 point energy. Life force. Ether. Let's see. I don't know how to pronounce it, but ether and ether, right? Ether and ether. Back to cosmic energy. Inexhaustible energy which pervades the universe and supports all life, right? So what Google has not caught up on is, when I say Google, I just mean, when we type a search into Google and the responses that we get, they're not telling us this story. It doesn't include any of this. It ignores all the research of hundreds of years of absolute mastery of experimentation and building machines. that work, right? And instead, all that there is people making fun of things, right? So on Google, it's just like it's like a playground for bullies to attack people that are doing energy research, real energy research. Okay, so we have to research things on our own, and we can update Google, but we will be attacked when we write on there, right? But when I make YouTube videos and turn the comments off, I don't get attacked, or if I do, I don't know it, because I don't read the comments right now. I have the comments set to, they have to be approved. So if someone writes a comment, I'm not seeing it because it doesn't get posted, right? It has to be, someone will have to go in there and approve it, which I don't have someone to do that at this time. I have had different people do that in the past, where they would read the comments and go through and pick the ones that were actually speaking of relevant things, relevant to the video and relevant to what I'm doing. And then others that were just talking about something completely different, or trying to distract or attack or something that might not be approved right away, right? So let's look at what we have here. I think, let me see if I can do this. Let's see here. Let's see what we have. Yeah, I think I'll put this on the